So you have the Robinhood app and you just want to start getting stock returns. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 easy steps to start buying and selling stocks and build your income. And be sure to watch until the end of the video where I'll show you some of the top stocks to start buying right now. Let's go. Hey everyone, it's Jay at Truth Leaders. Welcome back to the channel, helping you build your leadership influence in business and in life. And sometimes we do review videos, other times we do tip videos, helping entrepreneurs just like this one. So if you're new here, welcome and consider subscribing. Now, I've known for many years that investing is a fundamental part of growing your personal wealth. The thing is that it took me many more years before I actually started stock trading. My first app that I started trading with was Stash. It's an investment app that's really awesome for beginners. If you'd like to learn more about that app, go ahead and click or tap right here for our Stash review. Now, you may be wondering, if Stash was such an awesome app, why did I move to Robinhood? Well, the truth is that I use both apps. The thing is that Robinhood offers so much more detail in its reporting and also real-time quotes. So whether you're new to stock trading or you have the Robinhood app in your phone ready to go, you're in the right place. We're gonna break everything down and get you started. So this is Robinhood. Hey Robinhood, thank you for taking some of that money from the 1% and giving it back to us. Now, if you haven't been introduced to Robinhood, definitely I recommend to go and click or tap right here for our Robinhood review. It'll tell you all about the features of the app as well as how to get a free stock to get you started with your first investment. Now today, we're gonna go through the steps on buying and selling stocks and getting the app to work for you because, and this is our truth of the day, either make money work for you or you'll always be working for your money. And the goal is to always take our money and place it into things that will generate more money for us. Now, otherwise, we'll always be in a situation where we're clocking in and clocking out and counting down the days before we get our paycheck. And we're talking about financial freedom here, right? So we're gonna get started with our first step. And the first step is to deposit money into your buying power account. So this will act as your deposit box and hold your money until you're ready to purchase your first stock. Now, what you do is you go into your home screen and tap on Buying Power, located before your investing graph. Tap on Deposit Funds, and this is where you'll be able to change your bank and be able to type in your deposit amount. Now, you can also schedule automatic deposits where Robinhood will transfer money from your checking account into your Buying Power account every week or every 2 weeks. Now, the amount and the timing is completely up to you. The goal here again is to make sure your money is working for you. So the more you can automate the process, the more you'll build income while you sleep. To do this, tap on your profile icon, tap on transfers, and then tap on schedule automatic deposits. Here you'll be able to determine the frequency and the amount that you want to transfer. By doing this, Robinhood will be protecting your money and saving that for your investments and your financial growth rather than on impulse purchases. So let's talk about the second step, and the second step is actually buying stocks. Now, if you want to buy a stock, you have to find it first. So we're going to tap on the search icon and we're going to look at Apple. So here we can see Apple's performance graph, stats, news, and other financial information about the company. Now, if you look at the bottom right of the screen, tap on trade and then tap on buy. Now we're gonna go and buy 2 shares. Now, how do we know if we have enough money or not? If you look at the top right of the screen, you'll see what we have available in our buying power. And right now, we don't have enough money. So why am I buying 2 shares? To really illustrate what happens when we try to do that. As soon as I hit review, a message pops up letting us know that we don't have enough money or not enough buying power. And it suggests that we make a deposit. So the good news is that Robinhood will allow for an instant deposit of up to $1,000. So what this means is that you don't have to wait 3 to 5 days for your bank account to transfer that money into your buying power account. So it says that we need to purchase 2 shares. Instead, what we're gonna do is purchase 1 share. Now, it's quite possible that Apple's price might fall a little bit. So we always like a deal, right? And maybe we can get that stock for a lesser price. This is how we're gonna do it. So we're gonna tap here at the top right of the screen on order types. And instead of purchasing at the market price, what I like to do is purchase at a limit. So what this does is it allows you to put in a maximum amount of how much you would be willing to pay for that stock. And then it'll purchase the stock at that price for you. So there's been times when I've wanted to purchase a stock, except I saw that the price was decreasing. And I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna wait for it to go down a little bit. And then by the time I go back to the app, it's already increased way past what I was hoping to purchase it for. So the app will actually act as your stock trader and keep an eye on the stock market. So that way, when the price gets to your ideal price, it'll purchase it for you. And you're not even on the app. So we're gonna enter a price for the stock, and then we're gonna set the limit either until the next trading day or up to 90 days later. Automation is key. Now, for selling a stock, it's very similar. What you want to do is find the stock that you own and you want to sell under the investing icon. Select it, and then tap trade and select sell. This is the market price, and if we still want to sell it higher, then we can tap on order types, set the limit to a minimum amount, and then review and swipe. Done. So keep in mind that if you set a limit order, whether you're purchasing or selling stocks, you can always cancel the order as long as it hasn't reached the price that you entered. So the last step for sure is to keep analyzing and growing your money. So you've already made your automatic deposits, hey, you've bought some stocks already as well, and now you want to make sure to stay up to date on the stock market so you can make the best trading decisions. And Robinhood offers a few great features to help with that. So let's start with the watch list. So the watch list allows you to take some of the stocks that you want to keep your eye on and select them.
This way, you can wake up in the morning, go straight to your watch list, and quickly see what you need to make your next trading decision. Let's find a stock that we'd like to watch by searching its name, tap on the check mark in the upper left-hand corner, and we see it here on our list. Afterwards, continue to review the news and analyst ratings located below the stock as you learn more about it and determine if you're going to buy or sell the stock, which leads me to the 3 stocks to buy today. Let me know if you're getting value in this video by hitting the like button for me. Thank you so much. And question for you is what would you like to learn more about stock trading? And let me know what you'd like to see in the next video in the comment section below. It's always good to hear where you're at in your journey towards achieving your goals. So let's get started with the first top stock that you need to get right now. And the first one may not be a surprise, it's Amazon, one of the best performing stocks in 2020. Their shares are up over 90% from the beginning of the year and have nearly doubled from their lowest prices in March. That's when the entire stock market dropped due to the pandemic. Now, if you're thinking that Amazon will lose steam as people return to normalcy, the question is, once COVID fades, are you going to stop shopping at Amazon? People might want to start shopping the malls again. At the same time, the pandemic helped much of America get used to the convenience of shopping Amazon as their go-to store, and that shopping behavior will take a while to break. While their lightning pace will not last forever, it will continue to grow for at least the next few quarters. So the next stock that I'm excited to talk about is Berkshire Hathaway. Now, that's owned by Warren Buffett, the most celebrated Wall Street investor of the 21st century. And while he may have hit a rough patch in 2020, Buffett is known for thriving in times of crisis. Buffett has trimmed back or completely eliminated energy and banks and airlines from his portfolio going to the crisis. And while that may have made many people lose faith in his choices, which caused a significant drop in his stock value, his shares are now increasing as his decisions, may have been the smart ones. And while we await his investment choices this year, his $147 billion combined with his market-savvy skill set will make Berkshire Hathaway one of the strongest potential successes in this market for 2020. So we're gonna get into our last top stock, and that's coming from the magical Walt Disney Company. So Disney has struggled as their theme parks have closed, their ESPN unit suffered with no live sports, and the movie business suffered from the empty theaters, and it's just been hard for them. The thing is that their Disney Plus streaming service has surpassed 60 million subscribers and it's climbing. The most important thing to note is that we know that the setbacks are temporary. Disney has some of the most iconic entertainment brands in existence, and they're the reason why people will once again flock in Disney resorts and crowd to see Disney movies once they can. And based on these factors, Disney stock is undervalued, and it is the perfect time to invest in the company before it returns to the top.
And now, if you'd like to learn more about investing, go ahead and click or tap right here for our top recommendations. You can hit the like button if you found value in this video. Thank you. And be sure to subscribe to Truth Leaders for more videos just like this one. A step-by-step guide on building your leadership influence in business and in life. Can't wait to see you in the next video.